Tell her 1/4 the other direction.
1/4 the other way.
Okay, stop.
Stop.
Go back again.
Go back again.
Okay, so that steel cable that's been disconnected to prevent it from over traveling, I think that whoever did the change up is counting on this to prevent it from over traveling, but I don't know if it's loose or if it's just limber. Okay, go back a 1/4 turn.
Go back a 1/4 turn.
And opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
Back a 1/4.
Back a 1/4.
Opposite.
Opposite.
Okay. Okay, and that's the steel cable laying loose right there that keeps it from over traveling. But I think that the autopilot bracket is now doing that job. Okay, tell her to go back to midship.
Go back midpoint. In the middle. Yeah, that's right.
And you see it move again. Okay. So, in this video, I've seen 1, 2, 3, 4 nut and bolt sets. May want to tighten them up again. And then where this piece is bolted into the decking, that, 2, and 3, 4 over there by my bare foot. So I think you'll be okay. You just want to watch this and tighten it up a little bit.